Hello and welcome to Everything Dance. I'm your mentor, Dancing Dawn. This is your go-to site for all dance subjects and styles and all other related topics, from beginner to professional, and dance teaching qualifications.
So on to 5 beats. 5 beats, we add something to the beginning of the 4, and it's going to be a ball dig. Again, look at my videos on beginner steps to know more about the ball dig. Then your brush, heel, ball, heel. Dig, brush, heel, ball, heel. Let's do it from this side. Dig, brush, heel, ball, heel. And the other leg. Dig, brush, heel, ball, heel. Again, as I keep saying, but it's very important, you must get this one fast before progressing. So you don't want to do the next one slow and this one slow. You want to do them all fast. We would never do riffs slowly. So it's a good step to practice your flexibility and quickly thinking what steps next. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see how I go from the dig to the brush? Because that's a little bit different to practicing when you're here and making the brush. We've already done the dig, so we're going to quickly take it into the brush from there. Again, as I keep saying in my videos, you make bigger movements when you're learning brush, but as you get faster, you make things a little bit smaller and tighter, as long as you're doing them still technically correct and you're getting the beats out. So 5, dig, brush, heel, ball, heel. Move forwards, a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Practice that one. See if you can get it really fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see if you can get them fast, but get them clear and correctly done.